in and do my hair. This is my wig for the week. This unit is not sponsored, guys. Well, is it sponsored? Maybe, maybe not. No, I'm just playing. But I'll leave the links for this hair down below. I don't have a video for this wig, guys. This unit is actually from MyFirstWigs.com. There is no review video for this unit, but I am gonna show it to you guys because I've been rocking it. Very cute wig, like look at that. I don't have to do nothing with it. I just kind of set it up and put it on and I keep it pushing. Y'all know I use spritz to kind of line everything up because I want my curls to look nice, fresh, and in place. Spritz helps with that frizziness, honey. Y'all know that frizziness y'all get with y'all curly hair? When you use spritz, it kind of collects everything all the way up, so you won't have all of that frizzing up. So I love my good old spritz, and spritz works perfect for installing your units as well. So